Hi friends, for Art Center today, we are going to make a super cute groundhog puppet. So you're going to need your brown paper bag, googly eyes, 2 brown pieces for the ears, 2 brown arms, the black circle, white teeth, and this green rectangle. All of this is in your bag. Okay, now the very first thing we're going to do is take our green paper and we're going to kind of make this look like grass. So I'm going to cut little strips to make it look like blades of grass. Cutting. See how the little strips I'm doing? And you can cut them different lengths if you want. And that's going to kind of be the grass. Okay, so we're going to make it look like our groundhog is popping up from the grass. And look, you can push the pieces around to make it look like blades. All right, so I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to turn this over on the back. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue so it'll stick. I'm going to put it down here at the bottom of the bag. Now, watch this. My bag, I'm still going to end up being able to open it. So do you see how I glued that? Right at the bottom. Okay, the next thing we're going to glue on are our ears. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom of each of my ears. And then I'm going to stick them to the back of the bag. So see how I'm doing that? Sticking it to the back of the bag. All right, so I have my ears on. Okay, next thing I'm going to add are the arms. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue and a little bit of glue, and same thing. I'm going to put those on the back of the bag. So see where my ears are too? On the back of the bag, and I'm going to have them sticking out. Okay, just like that. See, then watch. We're going to flip it over, and there's the arms. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is put a little glue on my groundhog's teeth. And watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to flip up my flap and glue it right under here. So see how I did that? And I'm pushing it on, making sure it's glued down. All right, the next thing is some glue on your bag to put down our googly eyes. I'm going to push them down. All right, so we almost have a groundhog. Now I'm going to add his black nose. I'm going to put that right in the middle for a nose. All right, my friends, now you have a super cute groundhog puppet. Once it's all dried, you can put your hand inside, and then you can make your groundhog puppet talk. All right, boys and girls, Mrs. Newlands and I cannot wait to see your groundhog puppets. We will see you back here soon.